understand on gun bump stocks have. Okay, so look, I'm not the biggest expert on guns, but I try to understand and not just talk, because that I hear a lot. People who don't know anything about guns and talk about them. I'm trying to limit what I say commensurate to my knowledge, which is not that much. Okay, bump stocks, I understand, are this thing you can attach to a gun, and it basically becomes a machine gun. And a machine gun is illegal in America. So I don't understand how they could make this legal.
Well, what the majority argued was that it wasn't a machine gun. But if you go on YouTube, anybody, go on YouTube and look at the same gun with a bump stock and without it, and the amount of bullets that can come out of it when it's got the bump stock are immensely increased.
Right.
And so
yes.
I think it was, Sonia Sotomayor who said it in the dissenting opinion. The consequences are going to be lethal. The consequences are going to be catastrophic. And she said, look, when I see a bird that walks like a duck, looks like a duck, it's a duck. This is a machine gun.
Right.
Whatever you want to call it.
And
I mean, if Donald Trump thought it was a machine gun, Donald Trump banned this thing.
Yeah.
I mean, these folks have become so, the Supreme Court has become so conservative, they're overturning Trump.
And yet on the same day, they ruled unanimously for the abortion pill.
No, they didn't. They ruled that they didn't have standing. Yeah. They didn't rule on the issue. They
but isn't that essentially saying that?
No.
No.
It means that the people who brought the legal action had not suffered any harm. It's like, it's like this audience bringing an action for X, Y, or Z.
I think Kavanaugh kind of gave them a roadmap.
I don't buy that argument. I think the law is whatever anybody says they are. It's what they want to rule on, and then they will find a reason. There is a whole fucking wall of books behind them. If you can't find some law in there to back up what you really want,